will there be a bull market in crypto in 2025? Simple answer is I don't know. Nobody really knows. Um, but that's not the real question. The real question why people are asking that. If you're asking it from an investor perspective, of course you want to make your investments to grow. If you're asking it from the business perspective, you want to make sure that your business is okay, that nothing bad happens if the black swan comes into the market. But I can tell you that that's probably not the thing that you should be thinking right now, whether that should happen, but preparing for things that in case it doesn't happen, what would you do? So think about this from a business perspective or from an investor perspective. You do not want to make money only when there is a bull market. You always want to make money. You want a consistent, and regarding like investments, regarding business, anything else, you need a consistent and reliable source of income that would allow you to suffice your meanings at least, and then with a cherry on top. So how do you do that? You need to build systems, you need to build processes, you need to build a thing that will constantly generate you money. So if you rely on the bull market to bring you the profits, and during the bear market you don't have any profits, that's the problem. That's the real problem. You should be asking and thinking, how do I fix that? And only then you should be thinking, okay, how do I prevent the bull market? Because ideally you want to be in a spot if the bull market happens, perfect, you will make even more money. If the bull market doesn't happen, doesn't matter, you will still make the amount of money that you have planned for yourself in a year. So like always preparing for the worst case scenario will automatically prepare you for all other scenarios. So professionally, I work with a lot of salespeople, BD people, CEOs, founders, everybody that are thinking about how do they grow their business. And some of the companies, they are not really prepared. Their process are not figured out. It's like it's a very amateur sales process where you have ability to just hope that you're going to close the business when you don't actually know any kind of your numbers. There is no projections, there is no guarantees that the company will be surviving in 3 months. There is no guarantee that the salespeople will close revenue because there is no process in place. Nobody knows what they're doing. And if you only rely on introductions or inbound or whatever, this thing can happen. Like this disappear, or they can, it's like you don't control them. So building the consistent and solid and reliable business on things that you don't control will not lead you anywhere, because things that you don't control have a tendency to disappear unexpectedly because you don't control them, and this automatically disrupts your consistent and constant source of income. So if you're thinking about the bull market and you're really worried about that, think about the reasons why you are worried about that, because I'm not worried about that. I know what I'm going to be doing in 2025 if the bull market hits. If the bull market doesn't hit, if it's going to be 10 times worse or 10 times better, and I'm going to be okay. So I wish the same thing for you. If you want to learn how to do that, always invest in your skill, invest in your knowledge, invest in and also in new tools, like invest in new ways, innovate, AI, all these things. They're there on the market, and invest in your productivity and you're going to be good. So check out more videos on my YouTube channel, smash that like button, and see you in the next video. See you.